Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Aqara leak sensors with siren notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Aqara leak sensors with siren notifications, first, ensure your Aqara hub is properly set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install the Aqara Home app from your device's app store. Open the app and log into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Select sensor from the list of available devices. Choose leak sensor from the options presented. Ensure your Aqara leak sensor is powered on and in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the leak sensor to your Aqara hub. Once paired, you may want to test the sensor to ensure it's functioning correctly. Place the leak sensor in an area where leaks are most likely to occur, such as near water heaters or under sinks. Now, it's time to set up the siren notifications. Go back to the main screen of the Aqara Home app. Tap on Automation in the Apps menu. Select Add Automation to create a new automation rule. Choose When. And then select your leak sensor from the list. Select the condition that triggers the notification, such as water detected. Next, tap on Then to set the action. Choose Siren as the action and select the siren sound you prefer. Adjust the volume level for the siren to ensure it's loud enough to be heard. You may also choose to add additional actions, such as sending a notification to your phone. After configuring everything, tap Save to finalize your automation setup. Test the entire setup by spilling a small amount of water near the sensor. Ensure you receive the siren notification through the app, and the siren itself activates. If everything works as expected, your Aqara leak sensor is now fully configured with siren notifications. Regularly check the battery status of the leak sensor to ensure it remains operational. Consider performing periodic tests to verify that notifications are working correctly. This will help to guarantee your home remains protected against potential water damage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.